Okay, everybody, it is GMC time once again here at Denney Motor Sales, Wabash, Indiana. This is a 2019 GMC Acadia SLT2 all-wheel drive. Guys, this one has only 10,000 miles. Super well equipped, leather interior, heated front seats, Bose premium sound system, navigation system, rear camera, remote start. Has the rear parking sensors as well. Dual sunroofs. This one's got the upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. Power rear liftgate. Of course, it's got a third row seat. Does have the factory trailer towing package, which is behind that cover right there. Also has the side blind zone alert and rear cross traffic alert sensors. Power seats on both sides, bumper to bumper warranty from GMC to 36,000 miles, and powertrain warranty from GMC to 60,000 miles. We've got the windows tinted all the way around on this one. Super sharp. You know what to do. You can check it out here at Denney Motor Sales in person, Wabash, Indiana. Call or text 260-563-1175. Make sure you check the page out on Facebook at Denney Motor Sales. And as always, the website DenneyMotorsales.com, where there are a ton of photos and very detailed information about this Acadia. And I need you to help me out. I know that you have a friend or family member who'd like to see this one, so please like and share this video.